Hi there everybody, and welcome to your YourPace Competency. I want to take just a couple minutes to get you acclimated to the layout and the navigation of this competency so that you can move forward with the most success possible. So when you first get to your landing page in a competency, you'll see this module where you can easily access both your syllabus, and you can also download your final assessment guide so that way you can follow along and highlight or bookmark elements as you need them that will help you complete this final assessment. As we scroll down further, we can see that you can always have access to this Getting Started demo in case you forget anything directly on the top of the overview, and you can also access and review the learning outcomes at your leisure, access your Blue course evaluation, and also any quick links to tech tutorials in this overview announcement here. As we scroll on down, you might notice that there's also this module to access your Google Workspace. I highly recommend that the first time that you log in, you link to your Google Workspace account. This will give you easy access to your email and your calendar and your Google Drive. Remember that when you link them, only you can see your account information. As we scroll back up, you'll be able to see the course modules here, and the click here to get started. You'll be able to access both program and course help tutorials and resources if available, and you'll also be able to easily access any technology tutorials right from within this module. Anywhere that you see this little eyeball, you can actually click on that to review what's going to be in that module. If I look at the other modules, the learning content modules, I can see that only one's open. I can tell that because the first module here of learning content, there's a progress bar. The future modules do not have a progress bar yet because this competency is designed so that I have to complete the first milestone in order to open the second module. I'll have to complete the second module in order to open up the third module, and so forth. So to dig right into the content, I can either click on the nav bar, the content button, or I can click right into the module. Now you might notice that the modules are organized so that when you go in, there's going to be some tutorial information or some informational just to help you make sense of what's going to be in this module, and it's always tied directly to the learning outcome that you're going to be working on. There will also be a number of sub-modules to break down information, and this particular competency has a little statement letting you know how long it'll take you to complete each sub-module so that you can utilize that for your planning. To access the actual learning content, just simply click into the live link pages within each submodule, and it'll take you to your learning content page, and you can move forward on pages simply by clicking the forward button at the top or the bottom of the page. You might also notice that there is a bookmark button on the pages, and those are very useful because if you wind up in the table of contents and you wanted to save pages that you're still working on, I'm just going to go through the breadcrumbs here. I can see all of my bookmarks that I have created in this list here, and when I'm done with those pages, I can simply just click the bookmark again to remove the bookmark. Whenever I want to read my syllabus or access my syllabus, I can always click the table of contents and go to that top syllabus button. And from there I can access the contact information for my faculty member, and also review or even print or download the syllabus. If you have any questions at any time, please do not hesitate to reach out to your faculty member, and happy learning as you embark in your competency.